Hey guys, today we're here in Grants Pass, which is this beautiful little town in south central Oregon, right off the Rogue River. And today we're going to take the Hellgate jet boat excursion. We're taking a 4-hour dinner excursion, which takes about 2 hours on the river, playing around in the jet boat. Then you get out, you have a bit of dinner, and then you take about 2 hours back to the dock here.
And we cannot wait to get splashed.
I know, it's nice out here. It's like mid-90s out here right now at 4 in the afternoon.
And I think a little bit water won't gonna kill us. It will be actually nice, but we did got the rain jacket. We are going down to take the boat for a dinner cruise. We're gonna get splashed and we're gonna have fun. So let's go see if we like the cruise or not. We are going on the boat. Are you excited, baby?
Yeah.
Ready to go on the boat.
Here is actually never gone on the jet boat. White head, black body, white tail, that's an adult. They're always looking for fish out here. We have seen them with snakes in their talons. Muskrat, mink, chihuahua. I know, it's a sad, true story from where I grew up. I know. Southeast Alaska, pretty much legal capital of the world. 25 years ago, some people that lived down the street got a toy chihuahua, let it out on the deck one day, never to be seen again. Aww. Eagle's nest right above the house. I know. Dog's name was Fish Stick. Beaver known as a keystone species in the Northwest, extremely important to the overall ecosystem. a green looking rock in here. This stuff is appropriately named green stone or green schist. Average depth in the canyon, looking at about 45 feet or so at this water level. Older couple camping over there about 5 years ago decided to greet us wearing nothing but a smile.
Oh my God.
Pretty cold morning. It's seared into my memory. Way high up on the right, guardrail for Galease Highway, 1964 flood within 10 feet of that roadway. Nowhere for water to go in the canyon, straight up. Given today's water flows, we're probably looking at about 110 times the volume coming through here during that flood.
You like the boat ride?
Yeah, it was fun. Now we're here at the lodge where we're eating our dinner at.
We can walk or we can take these tractors full of the spiders. Look at the spider on this. But we're young people, in our 40s young, and we're gonna walk.
Alright guys, we made it to the lodge where we're having dinner at. It's part of our 4-hour jet boat dinner excursion. It smells delicious. We can smell it from here. Let's go see what's for dinner.
Have the name on the plate. So that's Ben. This is gonna be me. And we have beer, wine, drinks, food, and the soap over here. And here it is. We walk that hill. The boat are waiting for us. We're gonna be here eating.
The tables here at the lodge are family style, which is really nice. Me and Chris are on the end here. You already start with your salad. Wine, beer, tea, and lemonade are on the table already. Alright guys, for dinner we got chicken, pork ribs, some steamed vegetables, and some cheesy potatoes, which are really good. So we're going to dig in and enjoy our barbecue dinner. Guys, we're here eating dinner, and we just met our new friends, and Logan here would really love to give you his review of the Hellgate tour.
Hello, I'm Logan. The boat tour is really fun. It goes pretty fast in some spots in the spins they do, and it throws water over the side of the boat. Super fun. 10 out of 10, would recommend.
Did you get splashed with the water? Did you get wet?
Soaking.
What about the food? Did you like the food in here?
Yeah, it's actually really good. Ribs were great.
So where are you from?
Michigan, actually.
And you do recommend this?
Oh yeah,
this
10 out of 10.
Anyone? Okay, thank you, Logan.
Yeah, thank you.
We're leaving this beautiful place where we had dinner, and the dinner was beautiful. We really recommend it. I like the ribs and the salad and the cake. And now we're going down to pick up our food.
Back to the boat.
Now it's a little chilly. It's actually probably like 70 degrees and beautiful. And we're going to pick up the boat.
Alright guys, we just finished up dinner here at the Hellgate Lodge. It was really good. Barbecued chicken and ribs, some cheese potatoes, salad, a little berry cobbler for dessert, beer and wine included, and we're about ready to get back on our jet boat here. for the 40-minute ride back into Grants Pass.
What is this, a drag race? Drag race? Drag race? Oh, how was the food, really? Good. Was it that good?